Y'all, I done did my own hair at home in a quick weave with these curly bundles from UNice Hair. But first, we got to install them. So just stay tuned so you guys can see how I do it, because are the quick weaves making a comeback? It might just be a quick weave summer because this is detailed and it'll show you how. So we're going to go ahead and get our foundation ready for this quick weave. I have not done a quick weave in like 10 years, maybe 9 years. They used to be my favorite. I started becoming a wig girl, a V-part girl, and I did away with the quick weaves, but y'all, they're making a return. Well, for me anyway. And I'm excited because I've never had a curly quick weave. And those videos, like, they're out there, but they're not as common because a lot of people are afraid that their hair won't blend. But we're going to get this curly quick weave, pronto, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna do that. My goal is to achieve a versatile quick weave, meaning that I will have leave out around my perimeter, leave out in the middle, and leave out in the back. Like, the perimeter is basically around your head. I'm gonna be having leave out because I want to be able to put this up in a ponytail. I want to be able to do half or half down. I want to be able to do a middle part, a bun. You can do that with a versatile and it looks more seamless if you leave hair out. I did go ahead and wash my hair. I didn't want to be putting in a quick weave that I would probably keep in for about 2 weeks, and my hair is not washed, treated, nourished, loved on a little bit. This is my texture with no product after I did a deep condition. My hair is starting to revert back. I did have a little heat damage, but yeah. For braiding purposes, I am gonna go and stretch my hair with a light blow dry, and then I'll come back to you guys for my braid down. So we're finally at the point where we can install these bundles. Very excited because I've been trying to do less heat on my hair. This is gonna be some curly bundles from UNice Hair. Let me just show y'all, okay? I have 4 bundles of UNice Hair. They're Jerry Curly in inches 24, 24, 22, 20? Did I get that right? 24, 24. Yes, 24, 24, 22, 20. So very excited. Let's get these bad boys out the package so I can show you guys. These are the 2 24s, and this is the 20 and 22. This is a lot of hair. My head, it ain't that big, you know. So I don't know if I want to stack these to make it full. Am I going for a realistic look? We're gonna just see what happens. Pretty sure I'm only gonna use 3 bundles, but this is what the hair is looking like. For now, we're gonna go ahead and get our foundation ready. I am going to be trying the 30-second, let's just see it. I am going to be trying the 30-second weave the 30-second weave wonder wrap, and I've been seeing everybody using like the diamond shield, but I'm from a small town. This all we got. So I'm just gonna use it to the best of my abilities, because when I did quick weaves in the past, I didn't do this. I just made sure to take my tracks out properly, not just snatching it out. But if it works, it works. If it doesn't, I'm going back to my old faithful, because that's what I used to. I'm going to read what it says on the back. Using a tint brush or comb, begin to apply weave wonder wrap over the dry molded hair. After thoroughly covering the hair, place under the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm only going to be using this product along my perimeter. I'm not going to be painting my whole head. I just want it to be my security for if the wig comes up. So we're just going to be applying this along my perimeter. This is my leave out. 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 This is the first bundle. So long. So for this process, I'm just gonna let you guys vibe out and watch what I do. I'm just going to be laying the tracks. Before I lay the track, I'm gonna measure each track from where I'm gonna place it. My first track will be from my leave out to leave out. So I'm just gonna be playing around with a few different ways to lay these tracks. I'll see you guys back to cut this cap off. Y'all, I currently have in one bundle of the 24-inch Jerry Curly, and this is what it's looking like with one bundle. I know y'all see that. I'm so excited to define these curls. I'm probably gonna get 2.5 bundles on here. I mean, my head is small, but I do love how it's coming out. And yeah, I just wanted to come in and my goodness, curly quick weave. Oh my goodness. When I'm measuring, if I'm not using the mirror, I would literally just use my fingers to find where the last track was. Then I'll cut it out.